Welcome to Varshni vlog. Today I am going to prepare onion pakoda in a crispy and tasty manner. So let's go and have a look at it, how we should do onion pakoda. Shall we move on to the preparation? For that, first you have to take 6 big onions, and here I am going to chop one onion so that you can get a better idea how to chop it. You should chop it vertically in a very slim manner. Just look into it, you will get a better idea. I will again show it with the remaining half of the onion. You can take 6 big onions. Just have a look into it. I am showing with my hand. You need to cut it in very slim manner in that way. See, in that way you need to chop it. Already I have chopped 6 onions and I have kept it. Now I am going to add this one more onion, which is the 7th one, with the onion already I have chopped. Next we need to take a heavy bottomed oil kadai, heavy bottom thick pan, and keep it on the flame. Let it dry. In that time we will mix all the ingredients like salt, red chili powder, and besan powder or gram flour, which is needed for the mixture. You need to mix all these ingredients with the onion. Before that, we can pour the required amount of oil in the pan. I have taken groundnut oil, which will give good results for snack recipe. It will enhance more taste. So I have taken groundnut oil. See the amount I have taken, the amount of oil I have taken. I think now you will get a better idea. Now you can add 1.5 tablespoon of salt with the onion and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder with the onion. You can add, if you want, you can increase or decrease the amount of red chili powder according to your taste of family members. If you want it more spicy, you can add 2 tablespoons. If you want little spicy, less spicy, you can make it 1 tablespoon. I have added 1.5 tablespoons, which is a medium, which will give medium spice. Then you can mix with your hand. Mixing with hand will give better results than mixing with a spoon or something, because it's somewhat large amount, right? So you need to mix with your hand so that all the salt, red chili powder, and you need to mix the besan powder. That you will be knowing when you start mixing, you will be knowing how much of besan powder you want. You need to mix in this manner. Already onion contains water. Each and every vegetable, it will contain water. Onion contains more water. So no need to add water. You can mix. After adding the besan powder, you can mix well all the ingredients with the hand itself. No need to add water at all. You need to mix and mix till it is thoroughly mixed. See, you need to mix in this manner. upside down so that salt, red chili powder, it won't stand apart. Everything should mix in a proper way. Upside down you need to mix. I have shown it, see. Please watch the video very carefully to do for doing that mixing. Mixing with hand will give better results. See, you need to mix in this way. Then if you want, you can add asafoetida because it is very good for health. A pinch of asafoetida, it will give nice smell and it is good for digestion also. So if you want, preferable only. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Then after adding hing or asafoetida, again you need to thoroughly mix all the ingredients together so that asafoetida will mix with all the other ingredients. Mix thoroughly with your hand. Then this is the stage where you can taste. Just take a little bit and taste it and see. So if you want more spice, that is if you want red chili powder, or if your salt is a little less, you can add, or if it is more, you can add a little amount of basil powder more. If salt is becoming more, you can add a few more basil powder so that it will become in a correct level. If it becomes more salty, you can add basil powder and mix with it so that it will become in a correct proportion. The mixture will come in a correct proportion. Okay. Meanwhile, in that heavy bottomed pan where you have kept oil for frying, check out whether it has got heat. It should get, oil should get heated to the maximum, because then only pakodas will come in a crispy manner. While heating the oil, keep the flame in heavy. Means high. Keep it in high flame. But once you start putting that mixture into the oil, you need to make it medium. Make it medium or keep it in low flame, because it will be for doing any snack recipe, the oil should get heated to the core, right? You know, to test whether the oil has got heated, you just take a pinch of the proportion, mixture proportion, and you can just put it inside the oil and check it out. If it comes up, it is meant that it has got heated. The oil has got heated. Just check it out like what I have done in the video. You need to take a big spatula with holes like this. For that only I am showing in that video. For taking all the onion pakodas from the oil after getting fried, for doing all these stuffs, you need a big hold spatula. You need a big spatula with so many holes. See, again I am checking whether the oil has got the appropriate heat so that we can start frying the mixture by putting inside the oil. Before that, take a heavy bottomed vessel with many holes to take all the, after frying, to take all the mixture proportion, that is of onion pakoda, from the oil. Take a heavy bottomed vessel with many holes, and you can place a plate or any other vessel so that the extra oil will go down from that vessel. Next, you can also use a tissue paper or filter paper. After taking that mixture, yeah, you need to put the mixture like this inside the oil. See the way how I am doing in that. You should not put as a whole. You need to do like this in the way what I have done, and you need to put like that. Yeah, you need to split and put it in that manner. Don't put it as a whole. All the onion pakodas are frying in a good way. You can have a look into the kadai. Since I have kept the gas in a very low flame, it is getting very slowly cooked. It's good, no? Slowly cooked items will be very nice. Doing cooking in a hurry is not a good thing. Slow cooking is always good for health. You need to wait till it turns golden brown. Let it fry till it turns golden brown. Okay. Big spatula, and you need to turn all the mixture upside down and do in the manner what I am doing. Just have a look at the video so that you will get crispy, tasty onion pakoda. See the way it is turning golden brown. Isn't it amazing? Looking nice? If you use groundnut oil, you will get extra taste. And groundnut oil is very, very good for health also, if I am not wrong. The first batch is ready, and the second batch I have put it inside the oil. See the first batch, how it has turned into golden brown color. The second batch has been placed inside the oil. See the way it is getting cooked. The second batch is also ready. Yeah. After getting fully cooked, it will come in this manner. It should turn golden brown so that you will get crispy, tasty, nice onion pakodas. And at last, if you want to get it in a bakery style, you can place some curry leaves inside. You can drop some curry leaves inside the oil and fry it. You can switch off the flame. Already the oil will be in a very high heat. No, that heat is enough for the curry leaves to get fried. So you can switch it off the flame and you can put the curry leaves inside the oil, and you need to take like this. You need to give a little gentle press at the side of the kadai, and you need to take the spatula, big spatula from the kadai. See how amazing it is. Isn't it beautiful? Now you have got a bakery style, crispy, tasty, golden brown, beautiful onion pakodas, and I am into the last batch. of onion pakoras. I have dropped inside the oil. Thanks for watching. Please do share, like, share, comment and subscribe to Varshini Blog, and you can press the bell icon also. Bye.